Welcome to Destination Jamaica. I'm rocking away to one of my favorite songs by Alton Ellis while I introduce you to a restaurant in the beautiful, breathtaking Ochi Rios. Now, this restaurant is said to be in the watering hole in the Fisherman's Point Road, Ocheria. So that's why you're seeing the boats and so forth. A review said that it's literally on the sea. So I had to see what it's all about. Now, this restaurant called Ocean 11 has several reviews on Google. Um, Tallying 4.1 out of 5 stars. So not too bad, right? Now I love the views. It's beautiful being in Ocho Rios, which is Spanish for 8 rivers. And it's a town in the parish of St. Anne on the north coast of Jamaica. For those who never know, a little knowledge there. So it began as a sleepy fishing village and has seen explosive growth in the last decade to become a popular destination featuring duty-free shopping, world-renowned tourist attraction, breathtaking beaches, and a lot of popular resorts, and also a cruise ship terminal. Now we're at the restaurant right now. As you can see, we went in and we're looking at the view. It's so calming. I love the sea. I love places near the sea, so I'm always gonna seek out restaurants, nearby if possible, when possible. So this is the menu that we're looking at. So you can take a look at some of the menus, some of the food items that they have there. They have probably something for everyone. Fish and chips and conch, and there's was oxtail, there's pasta, there's some Jamaican dishes, and then you have some other drinks like Jamaica me crazy, but we're not crazy. Well, it depends on who. And we have the different rums that you can have, and drinks, mixed drinks and liquor drinks. I'm moving too fast the first time, so hopefully it's a bit slower so that you can see. All right, we got bored with that, so we're looking at the view. It really is a nice restaurant under a hut kind of structure. You have different seating. You can have a seating by the bar, or in that general area right there, or just by the sea to enjoy the view and the ambience. They have wonderful music as well. A lot of reggae music was playing there. You can see some fish in the sea. I don't know if you can see from that view, but yeah, everything looks better in person. I don't think the camera can capture efficiently what you see when you go there yourself. And look at that, beautiful. All right, so it did take us some time to get the food because it's done to order. And January, I thought done to order would have been like 30 minutes or so, but it ended up taking us an hour. In the meanwhile, though, I enjoy the view and the music and dance a little bit. I do believe in embracing the moment while you're in it because life can be so busy, and sometimes the only fun times you have is while you're at lunch or dinner or cooking, and you just have a little rockaway moments. I love this song. All right, guys, so let me tell you a little bit about the venue. There's no great parking at the venue, so you can park up where the supermarket is or that entrance. Google Maps will let you know. You can park there and walk up, like you saw me walking up. And it's a nice walk too. The food itself, I'll tell you about it in a bit. The walk was great. The view was great. The customer service was good. The server that we had, she was very friendly, you know, light. She made us laugh. So yeah, I like this restaurant. I think it's totally worth the visit. Of course, it depends on different persons will have different experiences, But I highly recommend this one if you're someone who love the view, love music. You can also go upstairs to see everything from above. And if you love this kind of food, right? Prices aren't that bad, even though it was expensive. But generally, as compared to most prices, it's not that bad. And look, that the food come. It took a while, but there it is. Salmon with rice and peas. And there's the, yeah, what that is. Can't remember the name right now. Excuse me. You can tell us in the comments. Oh, pork chops, I think. And that's the oxtail and festival and so forth. So that's it, guys. We just wanted to do something quick to introduce you to this restaurant. Would you visit in Ochi Rios? It was a nice way to spend the evening after such a busy day. And then we get to walk back to our transportation. Look at that view. It's nice seeing Ochi Rios like this at night. So that's it for now. Sports coming soon. Talk pretty soon, alright?